Ready for kanji drama? Field plus power. Otoko, a man, onna, a woman, ko, a child, hand in hand. Field plus power, that's otoko. Working hard across the land. Remember ta, the field of four. Achikara, a strong right arm. Field and muscle, that's otoko. A man is working on the farm. Otoko, onna-ko. Family kanji, go! Onna sits graceful, crossing lines. Ko is a baby, arms spread wide. Onna plus ko, that's suki to like a mom and child side by side. Inu, a dog, a friend who jumps. Mushi, a bug with feelers crawl. Kai, a shell from the old blue sea. Shells were money long ago. Otoko, onna-ko, inu, mushi, kai. 6 little lives and 6 little signs. Field plus power, mom plus child. Add the pictures, read the lines. Otoko, onna-ko, next the time machine. Year